Namaste everyone. Welcome to ICAM, a spiritual journey towards oneness. In this video, we will recite chapter 2 with meaning from sloka number 21. Veda vinashinan nityam yayena majamavyayam katham sapurushav partha kanghatayati hantikam. How is it possible for anyone to destroy this birthless, deathless, and indestructible soul? Whom does he slay? Vasamshi jirnani yatha vihaya navani grinhati naroparani tatha sharirani vihaya jirnanyanyani sayyati navani dehi. The bodies are for the souls just like clothes are for us. Just as we discard worn garments, the soul discards worn out bodies and accepts the new ones. Nainan chindanti shastrani, nainan dahati pavakaha, na chaivam kledayantyapah, na shoshayati marutaha. The self cannot be wounded by weapons, burned by fire, moistened by water, or blown away by wind. Achedyoyamadahyoyam akledyo shoshya eva cha nityas sarvagatasthānuhu achaloyam sanatanaha. The soul cannot be divided, burnt, dissolved, or dried up. It is eternal, all pervading, unalterable, unmoving, and without a beginning. Avyaktoyamachintyoyam avikaryoyamuchyate tasmadevau viditvainam nanushochitumarhasi. It is said that the self cannot be seen, understood, or changed. Knowing this, you should not mourn for the body. Atha chainan nitya jatam nityau va manyase mritam tathapi tvam mahabaho naivam shochitumarhasi. Even if you are on the belief that the soul is continuously born and dies continually, you still do not have any reason to lament for it. Jatasya hi dhruvo mrityu dhruvam janma mritasya cha tasmada pariharyerthe natvam shochitumarhasi. Birth and death are unavoidable matters. Do not lament over them, because those who are born will certainly die one day, and those who die will be born again one day. Avyaktadini bhutani vyaktamadhyani bharata avyaktanidhananyeva tatra ka paridevana. O descendant of Bharata, all beings are unmanifest in their beginning and end. Only in their middle period are they manifest. Thus, there is no cause for lamentation about the state of the self. Ashcharyavat pashyati kashchidenam आश्चर्यवद् वदति तथैव चान्यः आश्चर्यवच्चैनमन्यः शृणोति श्रुत्वाप्येनौ वेद न चैव कश्चित्. People may see the soul as a wonder or say it is a mystery, and some others may hear it being called a puzzle, but none have fathomed the mystery of the soul so far. Dehi nityamavadhyoyam dehe sarvasya bharata तस्मात् सर्वाणि भूतानि न त्वं शोचितुमर्हसि. Do not lament for anyone, O descendant of Bharata, for the self that is manifest in every being is eternal and indestructible.